In this activity, I have to total these scores, and then I have to round the number in different ways and look to see how the results differ. Let me start off by totaling. I'm going to put equals, and then I'm going to sum, open bracket, select the cells, and press enter. I could have pressed enter, and I could have gone here to maths and trig, and I could have scrolled down to sum. There are different ways of doing it, and here I'm going to select the cells and press enter or OK, and then I'm going to pull this down using autofill. Now I'm going to round this number. It has to be rounded to a whole number, and a whole number means nothing after the decimal. Right, equals. Insert a function. It's a maths function, round. Round. Now if you round a number, it takes what is after the decimal point, in this case, and it goes to the nearest. And if it's 5 or higher, it will go to the next, and if it's less, it will go down. And here it has gone down. 35.4 becomes 35.0. Correct. That has been rounded. This one I'm going to round down. Let's have a look and see. Equals, round down, and I'm rounding it down, that cell, and I'm rounding it down to nothing after the decimal, and rounding down, it rounds down. What was after the decimal goes. It's gone. Anything after the decimal has gone. I want it rounded down to nothing after the decimal. Round up. That's nice. If you have marks and they're rounded up. That. And I want nothing after the decimal, so it's going to give me 36. It's rounded up. Now what is int? Int, it's a mathematical function. There it is, int. And it rounds a number down to the nearest integer. So it rounds it down to the nearest whole number. Isn't that similar to what? It's similar to round down. Now what's trunc? Trunc, it's another mathematical function. Trunc. Trunc truncates a number to an integer by removing the decimal or fractional part of the number. That's the number, and I want it to not up to the decimal. What we have here is we have different numbers that have been rounded down, and this is a true rounded number, which is different to a number which has been formatted up or down. Here there is nothing after the decimal. They have been rounded down. That round down is similar to int. Int rounds a number down to the nearest whole number.